And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add songs to Instagram story. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS. Then you will tap on this plus icon here, just tap on it, and then from here tap on story option. And now basically first of all you need to make a story here. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to I will take this picture here, and now how you can basically add song. So for to add the song here, you will tap on the sticker option here, just tap on it, and then here you should have a sticker of music. So just tap on it and then search for the music that you want to add. So let's suppose that if I want to add this music here, I will just tap on this one, and it depends upon the speed of your internet. And now you can see that this music has been successfully added to my Instagram story, and I will tap on done here, and now music has been added to my Instagram story. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.